Why do kittens seem to meow at everything? Well, those tiny voices are more than just adorable, they're survival tools. Kittens meow to get their mom's attention for food, warmth, and comfort. When we humans come into the picture, they quickly learn the same trick works on us too. Adult cats usually ditch the constant chatter with other cats, but they'll keep talking to people because, well, we respond. You might hear softer. I'm cozy, mews, sharp feed me calls, or dramatic where are you cries. And yes, they know which one makes you move fastest. Over time, you'll start to recognize your kitten's personal vocabulary. So next time your little fluffball sings you the song of their people, remember they're not just cute, they're clever. What's the funniest thing your kitten has ever told you?